Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone used ChatGPT. So if you want to know if someone has used ChatGPT for their content, so you can just first go to ChatGPT, and I'll just create a sample essay to check. So this is the content created by ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go to any website, AI detector website. So let's go on this website, AI content detector, and let's paste it here and click check. And as you can see, it has flagged this content for AI generated. So that is how you can check if some. You can also go to this website called 0GPT and check if the content has been generated by ChatGPT. So as you can see, that's the result. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.